The best part of winter is though, for me personally, is when you have someone to cuddle with at night.
Ah,
When you get to cuddle with someone
yes,
at night in the
no.
winter. Because in the summer, you can't cuddle because
No.
it get too hot. But in the winter, just having someone to cuddle, it's a
Yes.
priceless
Live
feeling.
blanket. You have to have a live
Yeah,
blanket when the winter
It's-
is here.
It's the best part of my winter, The best part, just coming home and someone here just to cuddle. Because I love to cuddle, I'm the type of guy that loves to cuddle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love to cuddle, bro. You know what? I'm not gonna be shy and say I don't like to cuddle. I love to cuddle. That's just me. I just love to cuddle. And in the winter is the perfect season. This arm, it will go numb, and I'll be happy with it going numb, just cuddling and stuff like that. It's the cuddle weather, Nothing
Oh,
feels
gosh.
better in the season. Cuffing season, cuddle
Coffee
season.
season. Yeah.
But right now it's me and my little teddy bear.